Laden with intoxicatingly aromatic Moroccan spices, the key to the succulent savoriness of this Moroccan-inspired meal is the spice blend. In a large bowl, combine paprika, cayenne, cumin, turmeric, salt, and pepper. Add the chicken to the spices and use your fingers to coat the chicken with the tasty rub. Then let the chicken sit in the spices to absorb the fabulous flavors. Since tagine cookware isn't commonplace in most kitchens, we're giving you a chicken tagine recipe that is conveniently cooked in a cast iron casserole dish. Though this sensational stew isn't served as dramatically as a traditional tagine, the tongue-thrilling flavors of this dish will transport your taste buds to a Moroccan cafe. On the stovetop, heat oil in a cast iron casserole dish. Brown the fragrant chicken pieces on both sides. Then transfer it to a plate and set aside. Add the onions to the casserole dish and stir often until the onions are tender and translucent. Add garlic and ginger and cook just until fragrant. Then sprinkle with flour and stir to coat the onion mixture. Stir in the chicken broth, scraping up any browned bits on the bottom of the dish. Add the chicken pieces back to the casserole dish, nestling them into the sauce. Add the preserved lemon, olives, harissa, and honey. Cover the casserole dish and simmer over low heat for 45 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked through. We serve chicken tagine atop tender couscous, studded with raisins and brightened with fresh parsley. Quick and easy to make, couscous is the perfect accompaniment for chicken tagine. Bring chicken broth to a boil, then stir in the couscous. Cover the pan. Reduce the heat to low and simmer for 5 minutes. Fluff the couscous, then add the raisins and fresh parsley. This chicken tagine is best served immediately. You won't want to wait a moment more than you have to. Plate couscous on a serving platter and top with the Moroccan chicken tagine. Sit down, eat up, and enjoy the bite-after-bite praises around the table.